everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to create a free website for a virtual assistant using OLITT and Boxmode. I want to show you their similarities and their differences. So as you can see, I've already logged into my OLITT account, and the same goes for my Boxmode account. So we'll start off by editing the OLITT template. um because that's what I just want to start with. So as you can see, this is how the template looks like. I had already added some few words so that I can make this video a bit shorter. So I'll start off by editing the intro, rather this header. So I'll call this welcome to the freelance virtual assistant. So a short description is I am a talented and dedicated virtual assistant. So today I'm not going to change any images because I believe by now most guys know how to do it. This is the background, so it's simple. You just click on it, go to decorations, scroll down and click on the add icon, and that's how you'll change the background. So once that is done, let me also remove this link because I don't want it. So yes, we can go to about. I had already written something small. So for about, it's I just copied that somewhere. The freelance virtual assistant is your partner in remote workplace, blah 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 blah. That should work. I can leave this bar here and change that to one hard worker. But if maybe you're a team of multiple virtual assistants, you can decide to add the number you are. So we'll go to services. I'd also key in something different. So here we write a short description of checkout, the services I offer. Always remember, you can change the font color. You can either choose to come to typography and change the font, as simple as that, like that. So I'd already added because I didn't want to waste time doing this for the while doing the video. So this is what we're just going to copy this same data and put it to Boxmode. Testimonials. I want to show you how to add the new testimonials theme in OLITT. So I don't want these testimonials that they have here, so I'll delete it, and then I'll come to blocks and scroll down. So if you can't find it, because sometimes it's tiresome to just search, you just write testimonials and it's there. So I'll drag this, and as you can see, it's showing me where to place it. So I'll place it there, and this is how it looks like. So here you can just edit and write some of the reviews that your clients have given. So some of the reviews, something short like that. So for testimonials, you can write hard worker and consistent. I'm just going to add something short and simple. Okay, and yeah, and that's it. Pricing. For this case, I decided to do something like this for pricing, where it's marketing. I've grouped them together. Of course, these are just prices from the top of my head. I don't think these are virtual assistants really charge. check out my pricing, and that's it. So for contact, I think for now we'll definitely have to use the integrations they have are for MailChimp. So if you all remember, you'll just drag the their contacts, the MailChimp contact block, which is here, the contact form. So you'll drag it somewhere here, and OLITT is supposed to show you where to place it. Let me place it there. So you click on it, and you'll come to settings, and there's a link you're given at MailChimp, which you're supposed to copy and paste it on the link form, that the settings. So let it finish loading. So I can delete this as well because I don't need it. And let me delete that. So let me log into my MailChimp account so that we can get the link. I'll do that later. It's taking a bit, it's a bit slow to load. If you have your address, of course your email and your phone number, you can add there as well. So for OLITT, I wish this contact MailChimp would be able to drag it here so that it can be so that it can make the website look cool, but I don't think that's possible for now. But we'll work with what we have, rather what they've given us. Is it done? Yeah. So once you log into your MailChimp account, you'll come to audience and click on sign up forms and go to contact form. In case you want them to have a pop-up, you'll just click on the pop-up, and then the domain, which is the domain linked to your template, is what you'll connect here. So of course I'll click on select that contact form. This is the one I had created earlier, so I'll click on next, skip tagging. I'm not going to do that for now. So this is the URL I'm going to use. So as you can see, you have to publish it first. Mine is already published, so I'll copy that, come to OLITT, where is it, here, settings, and paste it there. Did I copy it? Let me copy it once more. Control C, Control V. Yes, something as simple as that. So yes, so there is the contact form the users can use. So I can decide to remove this bit because I already have that, and I can see it's already, we have the address here and the email, so I can remove that. So let me close this. So we can visit, and there's something I'd like to show you. So this is how the site is going to look like. So get started, it's supposed to push us to that. Services, portfolio, which I deleted. So this portfolio we can change to testimonials depending on whichever template I was using, and contact. So those links are not working for now, so I'll come to, oh sorry, leave that there. I'll come to portfolio, I'll change this to testimonials, and we'll come here and give this section an ID. So we'll click on it, and then settings, and then the ID will be Testimonials. So that is the ID. We can go back up, then this link, settings, hashtag, as simple as that. So let's do the same for contact, settings. Now I want the link, yeah, it's still contact, so I can go back to this column, this MailChimp. I want to give it an ID, that section, sorry. So I'll click on that section and give it an ID of, is it contacts? Yeah, contact. So once that is done, we can refresh this. This is supposed to work now. Pricing, testimonials, and then contacts, as simple as that. So of course these are already set. As you know, if you're using the free account, the OLITT banner will be there. This is supposed to be for social media, but I think we all remember how to add social media in case they have such icons. As you can see, it's saying that is Twitter. It's supposed to show the icon, but I don't know why it's not showing. So what you'll just do, you can click on that. You can decide, okay, we're not going to use this, so you scroll down and click on this social link and drag it there. So let me delete these other links, delete that as well, and delete that as well. So we can decide to use that. Let's drag this other social link here. I'll place it, it should be somewhere there. Social link and another social link. So I'll come to settings. If you don't have any of the accounts given, so if I don't have a Facebook, I'll just change it to FA, LinkedIn, enter. This will be FA, let me delete that, FA, Twitter, and finally FA, this is going to be something like Instagram. Yes. So let me copy my what am I copying? I'm copying these links for my Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So we can start with LinkedIn. Control C. Is it here? We started with Instagram, but it's fine. So I'll remove the hash, add that there. My target is the new window, or you can choose this window, whichever. This is my Twitter account. Control C. Where is it? OLITT. Settings. Remove the hash. Control V. Target is the new window, and finally Instagram. There it is. Settings. Yeah, so we are done with the OLITT. Oops. What have I done? Go back. So we are done with the OLITT template. So this gets started. As you remember, it had, the link had already been settings. As you can see, they had put the about link, but you can add any action to it. So let's visit it and see. This is how the site looks like. Testimonial, blah blah blah. Yes, so for now, as they work on their MailChimp, this is what we'll be using. So when users contact you, it will come to your MailChimp account, and as you know, MailChimp, you can use it for marketing. For social media, as you can see, they are connected. They'll redirect me to whichever account I want to go to. So we're done with OLITT. Let me just give this a description. Remember, if you want to change the icon, it's SEO. Click on it and change this. I'll call this the freelance virtual assistant. Let me copy that and then come and just paste it here. I can save that and save that. So I'll leave the icon to be that, because yeah, so this is how the site looks like. This is the subdomains that it gives you. So this is what I'll paste it on the YouTube channel. You can access it anytime. So let's go to Boxmode. For Boxmode, I'm just going to copy everything that I wrote in OLITT. I'm not going to change much. Of course, I'll change this. Okay. Let me remove this because I don't want. Yeah. So Twitter. I'll add the link there. Here for Boxmode, let me drag Boxmode here. Let me pin this tab as well and put this there. Let's just see. Pin a new tab, and then Instagram as well. Open a new tab. Instagram. Control C and V. Okay, so we are done with that. So here we'll say, what do we do right here? Welcome to the freelance. Just need to copy that and paste it here for the sake of time. No. Welcome to the freelance virtual assistant. I want to copy. Yes. And then I will say, I am a dedicated and talented freelance virtual assistant. So a few words about us. You can leave that, or no. We have to copy this here. About, Control C, come to Boxmode and add that there. Delete that and delete that. Also don't need that. So we can add different stuff here, like virtual assistant, virtual sales representative, what else? Virtual inside sales marketing, or let's put here social media management. It seems more social media management, so as some of the key skills that you're good at. So the next thing is, do we really need our history for this? I don't think so, but if you want to have a history for your profile, that's good, but for me, I don't need it. So let me delete this bit. So these are testimonials. I think we already have that. We can leave it at that. So for our portfolio, I was thinking now what they have here is what we're going to copy from what you had written in OLITT. So we'll come to, let me check something. So instead of portfolio, we'll put it as services so that we can just change it. Let's come and just copy everything that is here. The first one is administrative virtual assistant. Administrative assistant, and we'll control V, change the color. As you can see, for them it's quite simple to change that, to edit and all that. So we are done with that. To change that is the text and everything. Sorry. The next one is inside sales virtual assistant. What am I doing? Delete that. Inside sales virtual assistant. Again, we'll also change the color. I need this to be 00 to something dark. For the next one, service and support, Control C. So I'm just going to do the same thing I've done earlier, which is quite a lot of work. It's supposed to be service and support. Service and support virtual assistant. The next thing, oh my goodness, what have I done? The next thing, marketing virtual assistant. Where am I? Is Boxmode. Control V. Let's change the color, and let us change the heading, which is marketing virtual assistant. The almost last thing, second last thing, Control C, a virtual assistant. And Control V there. Again, we need to change the the color. Something as simple as that. I think I've added a lot of copied stuff I'm not supposed to copy. Delete that. And the last one is virtual assistants for vet clinics. Control V, color, You can choose any color you want. It's dark blue. For vet clinics. So I don't need that. I can delete it. Delete that container as well. Delete that. Yeah, something as simple as that. Yes. So let's see if I can change something. If you remember with the Boxmode, changing the image is quite simple. You can either choose from computer or library. They have images from, they have such images, and also they have images from Unsplash, so it's quite simple to work with them. Okay, it's going to look weird, but let me not get into it. I might spoil it. Maybe in the next video I'll check out more on this so that I can show you how to change it. Let me put it to be like that, and I can reduce the font for this just for now, but I'll check more into Boxmode so that we can know how to work with it. So we can leave the brands just for the sake of that, and this is to get in touch. These are just quick links which I don't think we need for now. Let's delete that. It looks weird. Let's go back. So we can leave all that. We can change this to 2021 and call this the freelance assistant. Then we can change it to a different color, like white, something as cute as that. We can leave that one there. Okay, let's change stuff with some virtual assistant. Virtual assistant. Did I delete something? Assistants for vet clinics. What was the other one? Marketing virtual assistant, inside sales virtual assistant, marketing virtual assistant, assistant, and inside sales marketing virtual assistants, assistant. What was the other one? Service and support virtual assistant and administrative virtual assistant. So supposed to be service and support is double P, and support virtual assistant and administrative virtual assistant T, that. So it should be fine now. So this is how it looks like. We're not going to change anything. Let's do a preview. Wow, they tell you congrats when you create every product. Oh, that's nice. So this is how it looks like before we publish it. I think it looks nice. Ah, cool. So that is how it looks like. Let's go back to the editor and Boxmode. Of course, this is supposed to be the freelance virtual assistant, something simple. And remember, OLITT is not OLITT, sorry. This is Boxmode is for multiple pages, so if you want to add other pages, we can work with that as well. So let's publish this. The same, create a domain name before publishing. The domain will be a site address. Think carefully before choosing a free domain name, meaning you can't change it. So it's the freelance virtual assistant, the freelance virtual assistant. Let's publish that. The site is being published. It can take a few minutes. It's not supposed to take long though. Maybe it's just my internet. Cool. So this is our site. This is how it looks like. As you can see, here is their ad. This is powered by Boxmode. It's quite smaller as compared to the one for OLITT. So it's something quite simple. As you can see, everything is working, everything is alright. So let's change the name for this. If we need more, nope, we don't need more. Let's go back to our dashboard. Click on this. I want to see the project settings. I want to edit the site name. The project name is the freelance virtual assistant. Control C. That is the description. So let me save it, and if I refresh this, it's supposed to have reflected. Yep, there it is. Home, the freelance. Wait, what? Did I save it? Yeah, I saved. Anyway, this is how it's supposed to look like. So for now, I think we are done. These are the sites that I've created with Boxmode and OLITT. I hope I've covered the basics, but I think when it comes to Boxmode, I'll research on it a bit more so that I can go in depth and show you its full functionality. So I do hope with this tutorial you'll be able to decide which website builder is best fit for you, or you can even decide to use both, whichever you prefer. It really doesn't, you can get the best of both worlds, you know. Why have one when you can have two? Because everything, as you can see, it's free. And although with OLITT, the subdomains are quite you wouldn't want it to be business marketing. You want it to represent your service or other your company. But I'm pretty sure all site builders have their strengths, they have their weaknesses, things they can improve on, but we can use them for now. So I hope we've all learned something from this. That's basically what I'm trying to say. So thanks for watching, and in the next video, let me see. I think I'll create a video for but I'll create two videos, one for Boxmode and one for OLITT, whichever you, they'll be separate though, not as combined as this one, so that in the Boxmode video I can go into depth on Boxmode and we can see how we can utilize these free products, and also I can focus on changing parts like this. As you can see here, it's a lot of words, and the images, I think I kind of just squeeze them in so it doesn't look quite well, but in next video I'm going to rectify that. So thanks for watching, and remember, always be safe. I can see this one for Instagram, I didn't add the link well. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and always be safe. Bye. Let me close this.